I just love Buzzious and all its advanced features. The way it works and how easily you can create fully monetized news sites in any niche in just minutes is literally awesome. You'll get so much inside one dashboard. Content curation, site builder, free subdomain, SEO panel, lead generation, and much more. What I like the most is that you don't have to write the content yourself or learn any techie stuff to build your sites. You just need to tap a few buttons and the software instantly pulls content for you to use on your sites. This will save your precious time and money. Also, when you monetize your sites with ads and affiliate offers, you can receive payments just when visitors click on your ads and check out your affiliate's offers. The software literally does everything completely hands-free and the results are truly amazing. I highly recommend it. If you want something that gives you sustainable results, then grab this one, preferably with commercial rights to boost your profits even more. One thing for sure, you won't regret buying it, but I suggest you do it before the discount expires. Grab it now.